Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple game. First, let's brainstorm your game idea. Think about a core concept and a main objective. Keep it simple, perhaps a basic platformer or a puzzle game. Outline the fundamental mechanics, characters, and how your levels might look. Also, consider who will play your game and what resources you have available. This initial planning phase is crucial for a smooth development process. Now, let's pick your tools. A user-friendly game engine, such as Unity or Godot, is a great starting point. You'll need to grasp some fundamental programming concepts to bring your game logic to life. Don't worry about complex art. Simple assets or even free placeholder graphics will work perfectly. Begin by implementing core mechanics like player movement and basic interactions. This forms the foundation of your game. With your core mechanics in place, it's time to design your levels. Start with just one or two simple levels, each having clear objectives. Regular testing is absolutely essential to catch any bugs or design flaws early on. Don't hesitate to ask friends or family for feedback. Fresh perspectives are invaluable. Use this input to refine your game's mechanics and adjust the difficulty to ensure an enjoyable experience for players. Finally, let's polish your creation. Adding sound effects and background music can significantly enhance the player's experience. Develop a straightforward user interface for things like menus and displaying scores. Dedicate time to fixing any lingering bugs and optimizing your game's performance for smooth play. Once you're happy, share your game with friends, family, or even online communities. Celebrate your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.